Hello everyone, this is Eric RC Monster Garage. What we're going to do today, another how-to and how to fix and how to replace the dog bones right there in your car, truck, or whatever you got. So I already replaced one. You can see here that it was pretty beat up and it's very bent, kind of crooked. It's not going to work good, and we're going to put a brand new one instead. So what we're going to do, we're going to do A to Z, show you how to do that in literally 2 minutes. Don't be afraid to do that. It's fairly easy. Let's start. Okay, so what we do first, we have to remove, here there is a knuckle that we have to pop it up. There is a special tool, look like a fork, to take it out. If you don't have it, you can take a flat screwdriver and you can actually put it in the side on the wheel and actually kind of pry it out and it just pop out. This is how simple this thing is. Look, it's not even 2 minutes. You tilt the wheel sideways, you take your old dog bone, you put it aside, take the new dog bone, put it back inside, make sure it's locked into place, put the dog bone back to where it's supposed to go, make sure when you turn the wheel it's turned, bring back your knuckle. Now the knuckle is a little bit harder to put, so take a needle nose plier, pop it into place. That's it, it's done. Your car is fixed and now it's ready to go. And let me just show you guys that it's actually working the right way. What I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna turn on the remote, lift the car a little bit, and now it's good, it's running. We have 4-wheel drive, the differential are working again, and this is how to do that really quick in 2 minutes. You can do it to any car, they're all the same. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. This is Arik at RC Monster Garage, showing you another how-to. If you have any question how to do anything, please let me know. This is very simple thing. You have to do yourself. You don't need to pay anybody else to do. This is part of the hobby. You break it, you fix it, you go out, break it again, fix it again, and just have fun doing that. See you on my next video. Thank you. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and share. Bye.